Bitcoin and Ethereum. Smell that Hopium dreams. Well, let's find out what's going on in the chart, shall we? Oh my goodness, Bitcoin. It broke. Oh my God. This was a failed move equals a fast move in the opposite direction. Can't believe it. It broke down and then turned and broke through. We're going to talk about how we could have saw this a little bit sooner. Right, and how we can watch for future events like this, because this was unprecedented. This is unprecedented. This quick break, but once we broke above this line, that was your time to go long, go long, go long. Oh well, my name is Da Vinci Jeremy, and man, it's been an exciting weekend. Bitcoin pumped to new highs, to Hopium highs that we were talking about earlier on, and yeah, is it going to follow through my pattern? We're going to talk about that and more in today's episode, and how to trade it. And if you're interested in trade it, you can head over to bybit.davincij15.com, and then you could purchase. You can get, if you deposit some money in there, right, you can get a $4,100 bonus to trade with. Amazing. And that's an amazing trade, right? You could leverage that up to 400,000. I wouldn't recommend it, but you could. Alrighty. Let's get on to the charts, because man, it's exciting times, man. Whew. Wow. That was some move. I saw that move and I was like, incredible. We broke above all the resistance points, and then we bounced off of the resistance too. Amazing. And then we continue going higher. Bitcoin looks like it wants to go all the way up to the $45,000 resistance level. See if it can break above that. Probably not, with all this this movement. And then we're going to come back down and retest the 41. And then if we retest and we bounce off of that, that would be the most beautiful situation for Bitcoiners out there, especially if we break above the 45 on a return. Now, there's no guarantee that that's going to happen. We could end up just blowing through, which would not be healthy. The $45,000 mark, that would not be healthy, and just coming back and testing only the 45. Trust me, that would not be helpful, because that means somewhere down the line we might have to come back and retest the 41-ish area, or as low as the 45, depending. Well, we'll see how the market plays out over time, right? Because you know what, this is all based on speculation and how the market is going to play out. And so I'm thinking right now we're most likely headed up to the 45. We can reverse here, but let's take a look at the indicators, so that we can see if there's any kind of divergence. No divergence. That's incredible. Let's see here. No divergence in the 4 hour. That's amazing. And no divergence down here as well. So this is also positive that Bitcoin is going higher. Amazing. You can see if you took the buy signal right from Rocket Brainer, that was some serious payday for y'all. And if you're interested in and running the Market Brainer, you could do so right by heading over to payments.rocketbrainer.io and pick that up, because that was an easy win for you right there. Just look for the buy signal, just wait for it, and once the buy comes out, you hit the buy signal. Not much to do, not much to study, not much to plan. Just hit the buy and hit the sell. Really simple. And it's a no-brainer. Okay, looking at Ethereum. Oh my goodness. I was telling you guys that as Ethereum was breaking down, that hey, you know what? I really think that this thing is going to bounce more likely off of this this level here. And yeah, look at that. Beautiful. That was a beautiful bounce. Right off there. And once it bounced, right, and you had the buy signal on on the Rock and Brainer indicator, giving you plenty of opportunity to make a trade and go a lot higher. So just had to do the work, sit down and wait for that trade to show up, and then boom, that was yours. Oof, like slam dunk. Damn. Oh, easy peasy, right? Just using the Rock and Brainer indicators. Okay, so we can see that Ethereum has surpassed my $3,000 goal. It's broken above the 200 period moving average for the 4 hours. We can probably see this thing continue higher, up to the resistance level of the $3,300 levels, because we're almost there. We do have a little bit of resistance here at this level, at this $3,100 issue level. Didn't mark it on the chart, but you can see it that with all this just bouncing off of it right here. The $3,000 level, we bounced off of it quite a bit. All right, I'm going to be announcing very soon some new announcements for Davitars, so make sure you participate by joining the Twitter or Discord, right? If you want to be whitelisted, right, you got to participate. So make sure you join in to my Davitar. There's only been 915 of them, so it's going to be like almost a lottery ticket. And and you know what, the one that gets the most rare one will be very, very happy. I can tell you that much. Okay, let's head over to the dominance. All right, the dominance is well, we are like reducing the Bollinger Bands for big move. You can see that coming, right? The Bollinger Bands are tightening, and also we can see that, hey, you know what? This is very bullish still. We've broken up to this resistance, the 42% resistance, broken back down, and we're trying to break back above it. Most likely, we're going to come back to 61.8. And then go psych. We're not having a bull market, and then off we go. We've clearly had We have this has indicated that we had what's it called, the bullish divergence here, right? This indicator down here, the Willy and the RSI, and I'm trying to make it bigger, and it's not going. There we go. And this divergence, right, confirmed up here. So generally, right, we come back, retest, giving you a chance to go for the big bullish run. So that's what it's doing right now. So expect it to continue on a massive bullish run. Bitcoin, the price against alt. There is a possibility that we break below 39%. Once we do, that's huge. I think that there's no way that if we come back to the 39, there's no way that this is going to hold. So it will break down, and we'll see a massive alt season, the epic alt season. So that's what would have to happen at this point. Is it going to happen? Odds are 70% chance that we're going to go higher on the dominance. But there is a chance. That we can come down here, a 30% chance that we come down here, and just all of a sudden the bottom falls out. So don't. This is technical analysis. No guarantees of anything here. So looking at the bubbles, nothing to write home about. We can see. Let me just quickly drag over here, and there's nothing. Everything is in the red. Pretty brutal, right? And yeah, nothing really to say, okay, well, there's definitely a turnaround here. No positive movement, just on a few coins here and there. All right, well, don't worry about it. Bitcoin altcoins will come back heavy one day. Right now, the NFT space is winning, taking the win, and don't worry, all those people are coming back to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Because why? Because Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Thanks for watching.